Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. In Australia here, we've just come into autumn or fall or whatever you want to call it. I decided that I would do a fall inspired makeup look. So I really hope you enjoy this video, and without further ado, let's just jump straight into it. So starting off with, I'm going to take the Nivea Men's Sensitive Post Shave Balm again and just use this as a primer. I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Superstay 24 Hour Full Coverage Foundation in the shade 10 Ivory. Now, even though it's autumn here in Australia, I'm going to go in with the Australis Liquid Gold Illuminating Drops because I like to glow all year round. So I'm going to pop that on the high points of my face. Going in with the Estee Lauder Double Wear Concealer, this is just in the shade Light. I'm just going to pop this under my eyes and in the high points of my face just to highlight. To set that in place, I'm just taking the Rimmel Stay Matte powder in the shade Translucent. To contour, I'm just taking this Revlon Sculpt and Highlight Contour Kit, and I'm just using this bronzer shade here because it's quite cool toned. To bronze, I'm just using the L'Oreal Glam Bronze. To highlight, I'm just taking the Becca Moonstone Highlighter and placing this on the high points of my face. I'm just going to go do my eyebrows and I'll be right back. To start off with, I'm going to take Raw Sienna from the Modern Renaissance palette and put that in the crease of my eye. This will act as our transition shade. Next, on the Sigma E39, I'm going to take Venetian Red. Next, I'm going to take Red Ochre on the same brush. Now I'm going to take Saffron from the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette on the E25 and place that all over the lid. I just switched brushes to the E55 because it's easier to pat the colours on. Taking the E45, I'm just going to blend that out into the crease a little bit more. I'm going to go over that using the shade Turkish Delight. And on the E45, I'm just going to place OUD in the outer corners to deepen up the crease again. And now I'm going to take Cosmo. I'm going to place that on the center of the eye. I'm just going to do my gel liner and I'll be right back. On the Sigma E39, I'm just going to place the shade Raw Sienna under my lash line. On the E45, I'm just going to take the shade Red Ochre. Now on the E30 pencil brush from Sigma, I'm just going to take the shade OUD and place that on the outer corners. As an inner corner highlight, I'm going to take Primavera from the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette and place that on the inner corners. And a little bit of that Becca Moonstone highlighter as well. Now I'm just going to put on some mascara and false lashes and I'll be right back. Now for lips, I'm going to go in with the Gerard Cosmetics lip liner in the shade Nude. And I'm just going to take Yash from MAC and place this over the top. So guys, this is the finished makeup look, just something inspired by the season of fall, which is now upon us here in Australia. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe. It would mean the absolute world to me if you did, and thank you so much to everyone who already has. If you have any video suggestions or you just want to say hi, leave a comment below and I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you're having a great day or night, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!